So for today's video, I'm gonna show you on how to properly manipulate the automatic washing machine. First, start by checking the wirings. Make sure that the wire has no damage. And then plug in. But also check the electricity bolts. Make sure that the hose is properly aligned and the end of it is connecting to the drainage. And then you will see a drawer for the detergent soap. Follow the instruction on how the packaging of the detergent to measure out the right dose. This is the detergent powder. Put your dirty laundry inside the machine. Make sure you already check the fabric care labels and sorted your laundry by its color and then turn on the faucet. Next is select the power button. Set the water level according to the volume of your clothes. You will see also the step-by-step button on how your washing machine works. From its washing until spin dry. Select the cycle according to your fabric care level. Delicate fabric like silk, it needs to go a slower cycle, whereas durable items such as cotton can go a faster cycle once you set the cycle. Press the start button. And let your washing machine do the works. All you have to do is wait until you hear the beep sounds. It means already done. And then time for you to unload as soon as the cycle finish. Doing this will keep your clothes fresh and avoid squeezes.